Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Ella and today I'm going to teach you how to chain, the perfect way to start any one of your crochet projects. Let's get into it. So the first thing you'd want to learn when starting to crochet is how to chain. And so in doing that, you can use any kind of yarn and any hook. And this is how you start any one of your projects. Basically, you need to grab a length of yarn. I do roughly around 2 inches, or you can do this hack where I place the yarn in the crook of my finger and I extend it the length of my index finger, and then you pinch that spot. From there, you extend a little more and you create a loop. And then you fold this loop over top of the shorter yarn, the one that's not attached to the ball, and you pull up through that loop, tightening by pulling the longer string. And now you have a slip knot. Every project starts with a slip knot, and then you can work your chain. So now you can insert your hook, and to tighten this slip knot even more, you can pull the shorter string. You need to make sure it's tight enough where there's not too much of a gap, but loose enough where you can move it on your hook. And now you need to learn how to hold your hook and your yarn for tension. How I do this is by having my index finger extended so I can move whatever is being worked on the hook while holding the actual hook with my thumb and my middle finger so I can rotate my hook. My tension, I grab with my pinky finger, twist it, and then have the yarn go behind my index finger so that I can hold my work with my middle and my thumb. You can then pull with your index finger to tighten or loosen the yarn. And now to actually start the chain. To do so, you need your yarn to be behind your hook. You're going to twist the yarn so now it's around your hook and to the front. And you're going to insert your hook through the loop and create another one. Let's do that again. Your yarn is behind your hook. You're going to rotate your hook and pull the yarn in front. And then you're going to slide the loop that you have on your hook over the end of the hook so that you create another loop. You just keep going. Over time, this process will become a lot faster. However, it is still very tedious. If your chain becomes too long and where you're holding on to maneuver what you have on your hook becomes too difficult, you can always move your fingers back up so that you have control again. Don't forget, your tension is very key in doing this. If your tension is too tight, it'll be way too difficult to insert your hook to create another loop. And then the next steps, whatever you're doing to continue your project, it will be too difficult to insert your hook into those chains again for your next rows. So just keep practicing this and your tension will become second nature and your projects will turn out beautifully. And that's it. That's how you do a chain. I hope that was helpful and it's something that you start picking up. Just remember, it takes time and a lot of practice, but I believe in you. Next week, I'll have videos on single crocheting, and soon after that, on the other basic stitches to progress your crochet. And I'll see you then.